I have sent him the bills. He has verified, and he is very comfortable. And tomorrow, in fact, he will be in Nairobi. He will sit with our team on digital health to make sure that his system works seamlessly. Senator Kavindu, SHA registration is seamless. You can use the USDD, you can use your phone, *147#. You can use the community health promoters. If they are teenage mothers, which we have a number, we are giving them temporary cards. So it's very seamless. Nobody should. Unlike NHIF, where you need, after you register, you wait for 2 months. SHA is, as you go to the hospital, if you register, the system picks you. The only system-related issues, and then if you have any system-related issues, then you call our call center, which is 147, and it's available 24/7. And the call receiving is at 0. It was 2 minutes. Now, once you call, in fact, very soon we will call back Kenyans to ask you, why did you call and you dropped the call? That's how it is. I think there was a question on the fund by Senator Beatrice, on the 3 fund under SHA, and the KEMSA. Do we have drugs? I want to assure this House that KEMSA is undergoing a reform, recapitalization. Through the private sector, we are putting about 10 billion to increase their fill rate to 100%. So drugs are available at the last mile. On the doctors in Kakamega and many other places, as Honorable Khalwale was asking this question, I texted the governor of Kakamega. Whether it is true or false, I told him to send me the agreement he has signed with the doctors. He is yet to send me, but he said, I have resolved. There are about 18 counties where doctors have issues, and I have agreed with the union when I was in Mombasa that those issues must be resolved. Kiambu is one of them. And I'm talking to the governors that we resolve. The main issue is on promotion. Consultants, senior doctors have stagnated for a long. But as you know, health is devolved. There is a committee on health here, chaired by by Honorable Senator Mandago. There is a committee on devolution by the Senator of Wajir. I think you'll do much better if you deal with this matter. But on the matter of UHC, Honorable Chair, lastly, the people out there were with me. We have signed an agreement with them. And I am not budging back from that agreement. Because when leaders agree with you, an Honorable Senator, with a light touch, Honorable Cherargei, I will come to answer his question. He's looking at me. It's the last one. But UHC, I've answered you as you are talking to somebody. Honorable Senator. I started with you as I said, Equalization Fund is under the National Treasury. There's a secretariat. It's members of parliament who
yes, you have under a minute.
Yes, so I have answered that question. So on UHC, the question is budget. Who makes a budget? The budget is made by parliament. I told them, leave my door, come to parliament. Today, this week is a budget making process. You deal with the division of revenue bill, you deal with the county revenue allocation. I'm sure you'll add some money to the counties. Please do me a favor, cut some money, give to UHC. I will pay them. I am struggling. And finally, Honorable Cherargei.
Yes, Senator Kavindu as well says you have not answered her question.
I have answered her question. Maybe she was not hearing.
He has 1 minute. Let him finish.
But let me answer the question of Honorable Cherargei first. And Honorable Chair, as a good friend of mine, he's the last person I will take advice from. He's the last person. I will never take the advice of Honorable Cherargei. Because if I take, I will not even cross the road. But on the pending bills, by law I have established, Kenyans have the right to go to court. They have gone to court. Those who claim those bills, they have to wait until the court makes a determination. I mean, one arm of government has done its job. Another arm of government has
Senator Kavindu, quickly.
Senator Kavindu, maybe I can listen to.
No, the question, just say what he didn't answer.
No, Madam Speaker, my question was, registration ya SHA haifanyi kazi. Na hiyo registration ya SHA, the details Honorable CS unanipatia hapa, ingepatiana huko ground ndio watu wajue watafanya nini wakienda huko, si hapa.
Honorable Chair,
Honorable Senators, having concluded the business for which I extended the day's sitting, the Senate stands adjourned until later today at 2:30 p.m.